This is video one of finding the area of an irregular shape. So you can see here we have an irregular shape and we're going to find the area. First thing we want to think about is finding the area of a rectangle. So the formula for area of a rectangle is length times width. So we want length down here times the width here. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to look at your irregular shape and decide how you want to split it up into two recognizable rectangles. One thing you can do is you can look at this and think, I see a small rectangle here and a much larger rectangle down here. So I'm going to split up my rectangle like this. Make it a little bit more so you can see it. And I'm going to notice that I have length times width. So I'm going to take 3 inches times 3 inches, and that equals 9 square inches. We want to remember that when finding area, that we are measuring in square units. Okay? Now we're going to find the area of our second rectangle, which is this much larger one. We're going to look for our length, which is 8 inches, times our width, which is 4 inches. So 8 inches times 4 inches equals 32 square inches. But we are not done. To find the area of this entire irregular shape, we need to take our two answers and add them together. So we're going to take 9 square inches plus 32 square inches. And that equals 41 square inches. So the area of this irregular shape is 41 square inches. Another way to do this is to look at, make it so that we can see it. Another way to split up this irregular shape is to take this and you can move it down this way. Say, I see a rectangle, two rectangles going this way. I can't get my thing straight. But here is one rectangle and here is another rectangle. Now I'm going to take my length times my width, so 3 inches times 7 inches equals 21 square inches. And I'm going to look at this rectangle and I'm going to take my length of 5 inches times my width of 4 inches. So 5 inches times 4 inches equals 20 square inches. I'm going to do the same thing I did before where I'm going to add my 21 square inches plus my 20 square inch to get my full area. Square inch plus 20 square inch is equal to 41 square inches. 41 square inches is the same, I got the same answer as I did before. And so it doesn't matter how you cut your rectangle or your irregular shape, that you should get the same answer.